Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X8, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're going to hold power button and volume up, and from the boot options that will show up, just swipe down to turn off your device. When it's off, hold power button and volume down instead. In a moment, when you see the OPPO logo on a screen, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. And this should take us to the recovery mode. Now, before we actually enter recovery mode, we'll get to select our desired language. So let's just wait for a moment. There we go. So we have three languages. The only one that I recognize is English at the bottom. And when you click on whichever one, you can see now we have format data option, reboot device, and power off. Under format data is just a complete factory reset of the device, which is protected by a 4-digit pin that you just have displayed right here, and all you need to do is just pop it in here. Now I'm going to select reboot the device just so I can get back to Android, confirm it, and give it a moment. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.